Hello, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will cover the further values from the RTVSYSVAL command. In order to explain the same, I have created one program. So I'm taking this program in edit mode. So here we are declaring few variables. So these variable you can declare by referring the IBM official website for the RTVSYSVAL command, and there you will get to know about the data type which is required for the variable and the length of the variable. Okay, so once these variable is declared, you can directly use the command. So for that you need to just write RTVSYSVAL, then press F4, and here you can pass the value which you want to retrieve from the system. And if you want to know about more about the values, then you can press F1. So once you press F1, you will reach to this screen where you will find all the information related to the system values that we can receive from this command. Now today we are going to discuss about this the value which is QAUTLVL2, which means security auditing level extension. This system value is required when more than 16 auditing values are needed. So if you want to access more than 16 auditing values, then in that case you need to pass this value, this system value. Okay, system value will cause the system to also look for QAUTLVL system value, will cause the system to also look for auditing values. Okay, auditing values in QAUTLVL2 system value. So these are the expected output that we can retrieve from the command. Let's say if you are getting a star AUT fail, which means authorization failure are audited. Star create means all object creations are audited. In this way you can retrieve retrieve the output from the command value. Now the second value we are going to discuss is QAUTCFG, which means QAUTOCFG. Here it is mentioned automatic device configuration indicator. Changes are made to the system value to take the effect immediately. Where 0 means auto configuration is off and 1 means auto configuration is on. So if you are getting a 0, it means the auto configuration is off, otherwise it is on. Now the third value we are going to discuss is QAUTORMT. We are skipping this for a moment because in upcoming session we will discuss this, but for now we are going to discuss this one because it is somewhere related to the previous value. So here it is mentioned automatic configuration for remote controllers. The QAUTORMT system value controls the automatic configuration of the remote controls. If you are getting 0, which means auto configuration is off. If you are getting 1, it means auto configuration is on. So we got the information regarding the variables. Now it's time to pass the variable values. Like we got the information regarding the values, now it's time to pass the variable in which we want to store the output. So I'm passing it as it is, QAUTLVL. I keep the name same, but you can change the name, but make sure that you are keeping the same data type and length. So once these three lines got executed, in the second line I have changed the value. This time I'm retrieving the value QAUTOCFG, okay, and passing the specific variable for retrieving the value. In third one I'm passing the QAUTORMT. So once these three lines got executed, we will receive the value in the variable. Now it's time to print the values. So for printing the value, I'm using the command sndpgmsg, where I'm passing the variable name, which is QAUTLVL2, QAUTOCFG and QAUTORMT. So just simply press write sndpgmsg, then press F4, and here you can pass the variable name. Okay, as these variables are already of type character, so there is no need to convert the value, otherwise we have to convert it to the character. Now it's time to compile this and see the output. So first value we are getting as a star not AVL, second is 1, which means auto configuration is off, and third one is also 1, which means auto configuration for remote controller is also off. So this is how we can retrieve the information from the RTVSYSVAL command. I hope this is clear to all of you, and in the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Sharmit.